Alright, pleasant good afternoon. Right, so there's the injector rebuild kit for it working on the QG for sure, because I using it on my QG more than a year now, no problems. Right, I use it on a couple customer vehicles and no problems as well. Right, so the black, it have the black O-ring that could use on top. This one could use at the bottom. There's the filter. This here is for the injector tip, but just now as we going to use put it on the injector, you will see, right? Or you could use this in place of this. I just use this on my own, and I'd use this on my brother-in-law own. I cut off the top, so I will demonstrate on two injectors, right? So this is our injector here for a QG. I'll take off the existing seals already. Right, so the filter, you take out the filter. I have a tool for taking out the filter. If you don't have a tool, you could use a screw, a coarse thread screw that could fit tight in it, and if you have a vise or something to hold it and pull it out. Alright, so there's the screw here. Right, so you screw it in the filter. Right, once it's screwed on enough, you hold this piece here, you turn, right, and you see the old filter come out. Right, so old filter come out. Right, so this one you might need a pliers to take it out. Right, new filter, press it in. Right, you need a hammer or something to pong it in, just now. Right, there's what I have at my disposal right now, but you see in there, you just tap in until it flush. You could use a hammer, a small hammer, a spanner. You could use whatever you have, but right now there's what I have, so just for making the video purpose, I just demonstrating. Right, so we flush there, right? Right, so the new filter in. Right, so with the new filter in, you could use the black O-ring. Remember to put a little engine oil, or you could use some WD-40, put it on top. Then you could use the brown one at the bottom. Right, and here you have two options. You could either use this one, if you realize it have a little ridge on the edge here. So you could put this here, right, and you see it lock. And again, before you put in your injectors, you want to put a little oil or some WD-40. Alright, so there's it on the close-up. Alright, so if you watch properly, you might see the four holes for the injectors. Right, and there's again the new filter. O-ring. Right, so if we're using this one instead of the orange looking washer, and I'm using another, there's another injector here. Right, if we put on, right, so I get my both hands free. Right, this one going on a little tough, but right, so once you get this one on, you realize the it blocking the four holes So what you need to do is take a sharp knife and trim this piece flush with a razor blade. Alright, so there's my sharp knife, and you're just trimming very careful not to cut your hand, and you're just trimming this thing away here. Right, so there's the other option. So you could either use this piece, or you could use this, right, like what we have on this one, right? But I use this one because it more or less fits snug right there. So once it go in and it compress, it will seal, right? And there's one with the old arm. There's one with a old O-ring, right? So you see how this one damage. So this was causing vacuum leaks. If you're interested, they come in a kit. So you're getting, for the four injectors, you're getting in the kit, you're getting one of this, one of that, 2 O-rings. Well, not 2 O-rings, but you're getting, right, so there's for 1 injector, you're getting this times 4, sorry. Right, you're getting this times 4 in the kit. Alright, they come in a little bag like this. Alright, so you see your 4 orange, your 4 black, your 4 filters. Alright, it might work on the injectors for the HR, I'm not sure. Right, again I'm using them over here, no problems. Right, so there's it again here, there's the kit. So the injector on the left, using this cap here, where I take the knife and trim it. The injector on the right, using the orange kind of washer. Right, both of them using the same O-rings and the filter. Alright, so there's how it's looking. Alright, so link up.